Okay, so hello everybody. Here we have a knife. It's a pocket knife my mom found in a store a few years ago, and it's very beautifully made. It's got, I think that's Paul Kruger on the one side and De Wet. I think it's Generaal De Wet. Don't know, not sure. And on this side you have Eendracht maak macht. It's written on it. And the Oranje Free State and the Transvaal. So it's a very beautifully made pocket knife with two blades which flip out like this. It's quite an interesting knife. And I think she found it in the store in a bunch of bananas. In a bunch of bananas she found it in the store. So it's very interesting indeed. Alright. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.